Rubble on the double is here to build a bridge.
Miss Hands, we're gonna need a hand. Welcome to the Fizzy Show! Okay, where do we go next? Oh, look! A map! Let's go this way! We are stuck by a river. Well, we can't jump over it, and we haven't learned to swim yet. Why don't we try Fizzy Magic? Okay. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop. Oh, if only we could get over it. We need a bridge. I have an idea.
Rubble on the double is here to build a bridge.
First, we need safety. Miss Hands, we're gonna need a hand.
Hi, Fizzy. Hi, Phoebe. It's me, Miss Hands. Oh, hi, Rubble. What have you got in your truck there?
Let me show you.
Oh, cool. I think we're gonna need these.
Are we gonna do some coloring?
No, Fizzy. We're gonna do some building. Okay, let's arrange these colors, shall we? Where shall we start? Maybe with a red. Start there. And perhaps a yellow next. That looks good next to red, I think. And we have a purple. I love the color of purple. Let's put her there. And maybe another yellow, since we have 3 yellows in here. And maybe the blue and, the last one, the green. Oh, Rubble, I think we're gonna need your truck again.
Rubble is here to the rescue.
Okay, time to build our bridge. Red, you're first. Wow, Fizzy, you're building it. Awesome! Fizzy can help build anything.
Great. Now we just need to put the bridge over the river.
Okay, let's try it.
No, Miss Hands, it looks a bit bumpy.
Okay, let's try again. I think this will work.
No, we still can't cross it. It's too pointy.
Don't worry, Phoebe. We just need to make a bridge that's easy to cross.
Oh, silly me. I know what shape it should be. Here we go. 3rd time lucky.
No, I'm nervous. We are on an adventure, Phoebe. You can do it. Yay, we did it! What a building adventure!
Well done, team.
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now. Fizzy, whizzy, bo busy bop.